What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Alibaba Group Holdings with the ticker symbol BABA. I will first be going over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. So Alibaba, after that earnings report, continues to sink down lower. We did see a short-term bounce shortly after that earnings report. It came back up to retest that $80 level for resistance and then continue to sell off lower. So this is not looking that good. We could even extend this trend line across the chart. Let me take a look at the weekly chart. Yes, you can see on the weekly chart it fits really nice like this. But if we go on the daily chart, price does pierce this trend line. But either way, you know, we are seeing lower lows, lower highs. Price is below that $80 level, which was holding for support for a long time. Now price is below it. And this is not a good sign. This tells me that price is still working its way down towards that measure move target at the low 50s. And I got the target from right back over here. This is one leg in the past. And if price comes back up and is still lower than that high, we can start the second leg. And you see that the bears have been attempting to reach this target basically since the start of this year. So this was the first attempt from the bears to reach the target that failed. And this was the second attempt. And usually the second attempt can come in pairs. You can see there are two attempts of the second attempt, and that failed. But when the price went up barely, like it only made two legs up, that can reset the count. So now we see the first attempt was made by the bears. This is the second attempt, and this is the second attempt of the second attempt, or you can say the third attempt. So usually this is the last one and is headed lower towards the low 50s. So again, it's not really finding any support. We're seeing lower lows, lower highs, and a technical target would be the low 50s. We can also look at the lows of this downtrend at the high 50s, but the measure move target is at the lows, low 50s. So again, BABA is not looking that good. Pinduoduo, surprisingly, is just killing it for Chinese stocks. Let's take a look at that real quick. So you can see how Pinduoduo is practically near, its all-time highs. I mean, it is, a little bit away, 33%, but compared to like BABA, Baidu, Tencent, the bigger Chinese stocks, I mean, this is like nothing. So again, this is a bullish looking chart. You can see how it makes higher highs, higher lows. And, the earnings report came out. It made a measure move up. You can see I got it from right back here. This is one leg up. This is the second leg up. Measure move was met right where the earnings report came out. We're finding resistance. This will probably continue to pull back lower. But either way, you can see clearly the difference between this chart and let's go to Baba's chart. And this one right here. So you clearly see how weak this chart is compared to that one. So again, we're probably going to be seeing the all-time lows being retested in the future. Again, is it guaranteed? No, it's not guaranteed. But again, Baba's been pretty weak ever since the bear market in October 2020. So it's been a 3-year bear market. And it could be, maybe sometime next year we finally see a bottom. But either way, daily chart is showing signs of weakness. Weekly chart as well. You can see that price is making another leg down. Usually after a downtrend channel gets a break, we see two attempts in that direction. So this was the downward channel right back here in the past. We saw one attempt at making a new low. And now we're seeing the second attempt at making a new low. So again, this is not looking that great. It's trying to come back to the lows of the downtrend at the high 50s. And it might even reset measure move target at the low 50s. So BABA, be expecting more downside. I don't see a reversal anytime yet. And maybe once we reach these lower price levels, we'll finally start to see price flatten out and potentially even bottom. So that's all I have for BABA on the daily weekly charts. And I'll give you guys an update most likely on Friday. This is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time. The Vee Trades technical analysis course is now live. Learn to read the chart the right way to prevent costly mistakes. Click the link below to start training now.